Johnny Green is our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week, and let me tell you, he is a first-class motorhead. Johnny has a whole stable of cars that he's worked on and restored through the years just for fun. And Johnny's garage is full of classics, and he says he loves every single one of them because they all have a story behind them. I asked him if he's thinking about getting any more cars, and he told me, heck no, I'm trying to quit that. He says all the time people ask him if he's going to build a bigger garage, but Johnny says he'd just have to buy more cars to fill a new garage up, and he'd fall into the same cycle once again. The collection consists mostly of Chevys, but Johnny tells me he doesn't favor any make or model over any others. It's just kind of worked out like that through the years. And oh, by the way, one of the most important vehicles in his collection, a flatbed tow truck. That's so he can haul his cars around to various shows. And it also comes in handy for hauling cars for other people too. And he says the secret to getting more jobs like that is to take care of other people's cars, just like he'd take care of his own. Good stuff, Johnny Green. You are the PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. You can be like Johnny. Just go to MotorheadGarage.tv and tell us why you or someone you know should be the Motorhead of the Week. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com. So keep it right here.